Hi and welcome to another Renderpeople tutorial. In this video I will show you how to import Renderpeople models into your SketchUp projects. All that's needed for this tutorial are our two free models Dennis and May, which you can download on our Renderpeople freebies page. Or you could use one of our many other characters. If you have downloaded the models, open up the zip files. Our SketchUp packages include two OBJ files with 130K resolution and separate SketchUp files for normal SketchUp projects and files which have been optimized for rendering in Vray for SketchUp. In addition to that, you'll also find the text folder in the zip file, with all needed textures in it. First, I want to show you how to import Renderpeople models for your basic SketchUp projects. Simply copy the basic SketchUp model which you can find in the zip archive into your project folder. The basic SketchUp model comes with embedded diffuse textures, so you do not need to copy any other files. After you've copied the file, open up your SketchUp project. In the top left menu, use the Import option and select the new Renderpeople SketchUp file you copied into your project directory. Wait until SketchUp loaded the model and the textures and place the model on the floor by left-clicking anywhere in your scene. Your new model is now ready to go. In the Materials tab you can see that the material and the texture has been loaded automatically. You can now optimize the texture as you like or move the model in your scene to fit your project. For adding more models, simply repeat those steps and add as many models as you like. Now that you know how to import basic SketchUp files, I'm going to show you how to import Renderpeople models for your SketchUp Vray projects. Open up the zip file and select the SketchUp Vray file and the text folder. The Renderpeople materials were created with relative paths, so the included textures will be linked automatically if the text folder is also placed in the project folder. Now copy the text folder and the SketchUp Vray file into your project folder. It is very important to copy the whole text folder because the material will look for this exact folder name. Now open up your SketchUp Vray project. In the top left menu, use the Import option and select the new Renderpeople SketchUp file you copied into your project folder. Wait until SketchUp loaded the model and the textures and place the model on the floor by left-clicking anywhere in your scene. Your model is now ready to go. To check the newly imported model, open up the Vray Asset Editor and open the Materials tab. Here you can see that the materials and textures have been loaded automatically because the text folder was also copied into the project folder. All needed 8K diffuse, normal and alpha maps have been assigned to the materials. If you want to customize and optimize the materials to suit your specific render style, simply edit the separate materials which have been imported. Also, if you want to import more models, simply repeat the process with another model, but keep in mind that you need to copy all needed files before you merge a different model into your scene. It is very important to copy the text folder into your project. If there is an existing text folder in your project, simply merge the additional textures into this folder. Just like before, Vray will automatically create and detect all needed materials and will search for every needed texture in the text folder. Now you can move and rotate your models in your scene until you're happy with the result. Add dozens of different Renderpeople models with a few clicks into your scene and create a whole new level of realism. Thank you very much for watching our small tutorial on how to import Renderpeople models into your SketchUp projects.